Hi, I'm Heather.
And I'm Jerry.
Welcome to our mid-century modern home.
Mid-century modern generally means clean lines, straight lines, flat top roof, and then what's unique about it is this floating balcony that surrounds the entire house.
So this is the entranceway of our home. As you can see, we have lots of beautiful natural light that pours in here throughout the day.
So the lot was first purchased by Dr. Lapierre and his wife in the late 1950s. So they hired an architect, James Secord, who's actually a descendant of Laura Secord. The home was completed in 1960, and in 1961 it won a Silver Massey Award, one of the highest levels of awards for architectural and design. I think that we were very conscious and aware that we didn't want to change the integrity, the style of the home.
This is our main living area. This is where we pretty much hang out every single night. The fireplace for me was one of the key features of the home that I first fell in love with. It's so unique.
It's a plastered metal fireplace.
And the fact that it's still in working condition was pretty impressive to us, for sure. These are reproduction Eames chairs, which are typical of the era of the house as well, which we loved, as well as the Sputnik light, which I knew I wanted in this space when we purchased it.
So the post and beam construction, it's flowing right from the inside to the outside of the home, and it's almost like this glass wall.
Our house, in essence, is a big fishbowl.
Fantastic. Love the glass.
Which Jerry loves, but there's a little lack of privacy, I feel, where Jerry is completely comfortable with that.
So if I'm walking around naked, neighbors get to choose whether they look or not look. I don't really care, so be it.
So the kitchen has a big seating area here. I love the stainless steel countertops. And then here, this island I love. It has the waterfall edge, which has always been a favorite of mine. Doing dishes in this room doesn't seem like a chore when you have the natural beauty of outside to look at and have conversation with friends when they're over. It's a big enough space that we can entertain and hang out at the same time. So now we're in our master bedroom, which is in the lower level of our house.
The home is only built about 4 feet into the ground, so you have about at least 5 feet of window space. So you're standing here, but you can see all the nature around you still.
One thing that we both loved about this house is no matter where you stand in the house, you still feel a sense of the natural light and the outdoors within the interior, which is pretty amazing. This is like a time capsule, I believe, that's been preserved over the years and loved. It was something we knew we had to have.
It was like love at first sight.